As you can see that there will be a two-part logistic information within 19 days and for the history. And this function only support for Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. As you can see that, let's choose all. And you can see that there it can shows all the orders details here and the shipping settings, tracking numbers, like the latest shipping information here. You can click here to check the logistic details. And also click here to check the order details like this one. So I think it's really helpful. Whether you're fulfilling hundreds of thousands of orders, these features can help ensure logistics are efficient and transparent. The second one is the shipping fee managing here. Also, for the order within 19 days, it will show here. So you can see that. And this is the order details and the parcel number, the crate time. The most important is the shipping fee status. So it will have the four status: negative, normal, positive, and negative and processed. Which means that here you can see that the shipping fee paid by buyers and the shipping fee paid by sellers. So if you pay much more than the buyers, and our status here will show negative, then you can download the selected orders on all order status and to Seller Center to initiate a proposal that you can to process your shipping fees to avoid any losses in the fees. So I think this small and useful tools functions can help you to avoid more losses and to management the orders better and efficient. Also for the manifest management here, you can here, the manifest numbers, you can the print it. If it's print, it will show like this as a proof. And also you can click here to check the details like here. This is another tools can help you to managing your orders and process your orders. So this is the first function here. And for the second one, it's called the sub-account setting. Sub-account, I want to ask you one question. Do you have a team to several staff to help you management your e-commerce? With these features, you can create multiple user accounts under one main big seller account. You can assign the customer positions for each sub-account, such as limiting access to financial data, yes, and registering the certain actions. Like the list staff have different rules and different sub-accounts. And also you as the main users, you can monitor the activity for each sub-account for better internal control and collaboration. So I think it's quite ideal for the business with staff handling different roles like customer service, like the warehouse or accounting. I will show you the details here. First, you should click Setting and Sub-account Settings. The first step is to establish a role, and you can choose to add a new role here. Enter the basic information like the name, details, and the next step is to choose the position setting. There are the module here, and for each module, you will have a different positions, as you can see that. But I want to introduce here, active view only. So when you both the active and active view only are selected, you can only view the live product pages for Shopee, TikTok, and Lazada. but cannot perform any operation. So this is a tip you should pay attention. And for the, as you can see now, there's so many permission here. After the setting is permission, you should click save, and the new role will be established like here. The second step is to establish a new sub account. Yes. Click add a new sub account. Enter the login account password and to set a role for each account, the role that you just set up, and the store permission. Pay attention, the store permissions only take effect for products, orders, and reports. Like here, you should choose your store you have authorized to our big seller, and also the warehouse permission here. And the third-party warehouse, you can set according to your needs. But I want to say that the merchant SKU permission is our like a new permission here. By default, our sub account have the full merchant SKU permission, but you as the main account admin, you can adjust these permissions. So the system will apply the latest changes. You can choose that designed by category, like different category. If you choose this one, it means that this sub account can only view the data for this special category, and not all the merchandise can use, not all the products. So it can have a section here. Once you set all this according to your needs, you can click save. Yes, this is how we establish and the sub account settings. It can help us to managing your e-commerce business with all kinds of stuffs. It's for the better management, internal better management. Yes. So, and the third part is the some order automation tools. Like the first one is the mark settings and the give rules or the give rules. So I will show you the details. The first, you should click order module, and as you can see that mark settings, it means that once you set the rule and the mark type and the mark rules, our system will automatically tag the orders based on the rules you have set, so that you can easily to organize and prioritize different types orders. You can click add mark, like you can see that there are different mark here. I will show you the details. The mark type and the name, like the set color and the notes and the confirm it. So, and the mark rule, like you can add a new rule here. Rule name and select the conditions. And the item info and the special mark here. Once you establish a mark rules, our system will automatically tag the orders based on your rules. But pay attention, you should enable the status here, and as the priority, as you can see that. The lower the number, the higher the priority. So pay attention for this one. So this is for the automatically tagged. Also, you can manually tag to your orders. Click processing orders. Find the orders you want to tag. For example, click the details here. The notes, order mark, you can choose to tag the orders based on your needs and save. And then you can select several and do the bulk operation here, the add mark. Also, as you can see that, you can remove the mark here. Choose the mark you want to remove, confirm it. Yes. Also, in the details here, order mark, you can manually and edit the order mark here. This is the first tools. And the second one is the gift rules. The gift rules can like given the conditions that our system will auto add the free gifts to the eligible orders. It can encourage our buyers to buy more and encourage the consumptions. You can first to add the new rule here. Enter the rule name like the select the stores or the design the merchant SKU. So you can see that there are two models here. The fixed gift. Let us choose the one. For example, this one and confirm here. You can enter the quantity here and the close here. Also choose the merchant SKU quantity. It means that if your new orders includes 2 merchant SKU, and the buyers will receive the free gift, the 2 free gift merchant SKU here. So it's the fixed gift. And the second model is the buy more, give more. Here you can choose the several merchant SKU and confirm it. You can customize the free gift for the different merchant SKU, like choose the one here and also here. It means that if the buyers purchase the 2 like the merchant SKU, this one, he or she will receive the 3 merchant SKU, the gift here. And if also this order includes the 3 least merchant SKU, he will additionally receive the 1 additional gift merchant SKU. So it's the buy more, give more, and also there will be a multiple gift. The multiple gift means that if you set by the 2 SKU A and will get 1 free SKU B, if you enable this multiple gift, you can choose that. They buy 4, they will get 2, by 6, they'll get 3. So if you don't select it, the purchase quantity of SKU will only add 1. Yes. Okay, this is for the gift rules. It's very efficient, so you don't have to manually to add the free gift one by one. And the second one, the next one is for the auto pack. If you enable this feature, once the new orders synchronized to our big seller, and our system will automatically packed through the setting conditions here. So you should click edit here and to set the stores and the shipping methods, the warehouse, the pack time, the time slot, and auto select the pickup time and filter settings like this one. Once you finish all the settings, you click save and our system will automatically assign orders to the different houses based on the details you have already set up. But pay attention, this auto packed is only available for the VIP users. So if you want to use these functions, you can click the subscription service to subscribe our basic plan or the other plans. And this is like the 3 simple but very useful tools for today's sharing. And the next part is for the Q&A. And so we are now open the floor for any questions. Please feel free to ask us anything about the new tools I shared today, or if you have any other past questions, you can also type all the checking rules, and we will have official staff, and I will to give you answers and to help you. Now, if you have any questions, you can say it in our chat rooms. Now it's the Q&A session. Also, if you don't want to say something in our chat room, you can scan this QR code and to leave your account, your feedbacks, your questions, and we will contact you one by one, privately and after the meeting. If you want to like the one-on-one online training, also you can initiate your request through this survey. Is there anyone have any questions? Please feel free to ask us if you have any questions. Also, I will introduce our Malaysia e-commerce service. It will be held in the August 2nd. It is offline, and if you are interested, you can join our summit, and you can like just scan this QR code for the registration. It's totally free. There will be many industrial experts to sharing their experience and insights in this successful e-commerce business. So we are very happy if you can be there. No one have any questions here for today, or while using our systems, do you have any troubles? Have you ever met any troubles? Get access to live sonatic, but not delete them. Currently, our system don't support these functions. Yes. So if your employee can edit them, they also can delete them. But you can choose to let them view the products, but not to edit them. Yes. Um, can I ask like why you need like these functions? Because some of your employee will delete your products that you won't notice. If you have this need, I can talk with our tech team after the meeting and to see whether we can improve our this function. So can you leave your account? If you need this function, you can leave your account and I will report it to our tech team to see if we can improve it. Oh, I totally understand. Okay, I will like to report this issue to our tech team. As you know that the report needs your account, and we will quickly to see what we can do. Yes. According to what you say, I think it's quite necessary to give that permission to let them edit but not delete the products. Yes. But we really need your account so that we can report it to our tech team and we can improve it. Yes. Okay, I understand what you say. I think it is very useful for your device. Yes. After the meeting, we will immediately report our tech team, and I think it is quite useful, and we should improve it. So, like, why mapping not allocating? Okay, for the question why mapping not allocating, can you provide me more details like allocate what kind of things? Yes, I totally understand what you say, so that if you can leave your accounts after the meeting, I will immediately uh, report your needs to our tech team. We will improve this function here. Yes. I have already write down your needs to like you want us to have a backup listing or to provide to set a session to employee. We can edit but not delete our live products. Yes, I totally understand your needs here. But I need your like the Bigsetter account, like the emails you have registered in our Bigsetter so that I can report it to our team. Okay, thank you very much. For the question why mapping not allocating, could you please provide us more details? And I have noticed that how to print a label WMS setting. You mean that you want to know how to print the shipping label in the WMS? All right. Okay, I will show you here. And in the WMS here, I will change another test account. Please wait for a moment. Yes, of course. If you want to update the stock synchronization, you need a push rule. You need to set the push rule so that you can synchronize your stocks to all the stocks. Here, for the WMS, this one in the web list. Here, you can print the shipping label. Here, you can print a shipping label. Yes. Also, you can see that in all the session, in the to pick, to sort, and to pack status, you can print shipping labels. You don't need to manually to enable your push rule every day so that you can get the stock synchronized. Since once you enabled and you have already set up your push rules, our system will automatically help you to synchronize all your stock. It's automatically. Yes. You're welcome. Is there any other questions? And if you don't want to leave your questions in our chat rooms, you can like PM me to leave your account and your question privately, and I will contact you after the meeting. Yes. So like if you have any other needs, you can also leave the private message for me. No more questions? If you don't have any other questions, our sharing session will end right now. And thank you for your join today. Also, in the next Wednesday, we will have another new future sharing sessions. If you are interested, you can also join us. Thank you for the day. Thank you so much. By the end, and I will also introduce the Malaysia e-commerce summit. If you are interested, you can scan this QR code to registration. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.